Hello everyone! In this prototyping tutorial, we'll learn how to create interactive, selectable cards in wireframes using MockFlow's prototyping feature. We've already designed a checkout page with two card components, DHL and FedEx, each with its respective pricing. The price values that need to change when a card is selected are also pre-added in the wireframe. To start, we'll use the Layers feature to hide the rectangle that highlights a selected card. Then, we'll add interactions to the DHL card. On mouse click, we'll show the DHL highlight, hide the FedEx highlight, replace the price values with DHL's pricing, and add a smooth fade-in effect. We'll also hide FedEx's pricing using the same click interaction. Next, we'll add a second interaction to the FedEx card by repeating the same steps but in reverse, highlighting FedEx, updating the pricing to match, and hiding DHL's components. To make the prototyping experience even smoother, we'll also add a fade-out effect to the total pricing section so the changes look better during the prototype. Now, select the grouped component as the primary container, so it only appears when the wireframe is in view mode. Click on the View button to test the prototype. When you click the DHL card, it gets highlighted, FedEx is deselect, and the pricing updates. Clicking the FedEx card will reverse the interaction, highlighting FedEx and updating the pricing accordingly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can build interactive, selectable card prototypes in your wireframes using MockFlow. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more prototyping tutorials.